Hi everyone and welcome to Daily News Wrap by Voice of Crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum and top altcoins start to consolidate once again as the market worries whether this is a short-term rebound or a permanent pullback to the lower support ranges. Let's take a look at some of the biggest market movers in terms of news in the cryptocurrency market and see whether Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic and some of the cryptocurrencies that gained quite a bit of momentum in the last week can sustain their positive price momentum over the coming week. First, we shall be taking a look at the global cryptocurrency market cap, which was back to the $1 trillion mark, noting a 2.64% decrease over the last day. Some of the top crypto assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and XRP were noting decreases in terms of their 24-hour price. Bitcoin was down by 2.8% over the last 24 hours and was back to the $21,900 mark. While there wasn't much change on the weekly charts in terms of price, and Ethereum, which is the top altcoin, was still up by almost 3% on the weekly chart. Ethereum had seen a 3.64% pullback in the last 24 hours, and Ethereum couldn't stand against the $1,600 resistance, which is one reason why Ethereum price came back to the $1,500 mark. Moving on, BNB or Binance coin was down by 2% on the daily and 2% on the weekly chart. On the other hand, amid the regulatory concerns surrounding XRP and the SEC case in the US, XRP is down by 4% and 5% on the daily and weekly charts respectively. Cardano, despite the Vassal hard fork update, is down by 5% on the daily chart. This downturn in terms of price for most of the top altcoins is because the recent pullback in price for Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at some of the top gainers in the crypto market over the last 24 hours. Owing to the consolidation shown by Bitcoin and Ethereum, the larger market cap is maintaining steady and most altcoins are in fact consolidating. However, certain altcoins like Nexo is up by 7.55% on the daily and 14.68% on the weekly. QTUM token was up by almost 3% on the daily and 9% on the weekly charts. Other than that, most of the tokens were either consolidating or had no to low gains on the daily as well as the weekly window. Quickly taking a look at how Ethereum can perform over the coming week, as Ethereum has a lot of eyes on its price action. ETH has also had one of the best price upticks over the last few weeks, and it has largely presented better gains than most of the market. Now, however, if we see around the $1,580 mark, Ethereum is facing considerable resistance. A price uptick above the $1,600 mark could be key for Ethereum's recovery. RSI can be a crucial indicator to watch while we are looking at Ethereum's trajectory. For now, we see that RSI has struggled to move above the overbought zone. Once RSI is in the overbought zone, we can expect more rallies to follow in the coming days. That said, we see that trade volumes for Ethereum are noting a downward slope, which means that generally euphoria and the market excitement, which usually comes when prices take a bullish turn, is finally fading away as prices are consolidating, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. Other altcoins which have rallied over the last week, like Matic and a few other alts, can depend largely on Bitcoin and Ethereum for their gains in the coming week. Moving on, let's take a look at some of the top news in the market. A crucial market update was that a year ago Bitcoin price was around $34,200 while ETH was around 2,189, a massive uptick from what the prices look like at the time of recording. Crypto platform ZipMex says that it is considering a possible offer with interested parties. On the other hand, Latvian NFT artist made close to 8 million in earnings and they were recently seized over allegations of money laundering. Japanese bank SMBC is planning to develop NFT business, while FTX is recently reported to be in talks to acquire the South Korean crypto exchange Bithumb. This can lead to quite a bit of transitions in terms of how the native token of the two exchanges perform. This was all in today's daily news wrap. For more such crisp and clear crypto news, don't forget to tune in to Voice of Crypto's YouTube channel. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.